Hey there, new fitness friends. Ready to kickstart your strength journey with zero gear? Today, we're diving into a push-up routine for beginners. No equipment needed, because you don't need a gym, weights, or fancy gadgets to get stronger. Push-ups are the perfect starting line. They build your chest, arms, shoulders, and core, all from the comfort of your living room. If you're thinking, I can't even do one, don't worry. This routine is built for you, the absolute beginner, with no experience required. Let's break it down, step by step, and get you pushing like a pro in no time. Why push-ups are perfect for beginners? Push-ups are a beginner's dream. They're free, simple, and totally adjustable. No dumbbells? No problem. No gym membership? Who cares? They work your upper body and core while teaching you control and grit, all without leaving your house. Plus, you can start small and grow big. Every rep is a win. Whether you're looking to tone up, feel stronger, or just move more, this no equipment routine is your ticket. Let's make it happen. Before you start, the basics. Don't stress, push-ups don't have to be intimidating. We're easing in with versions that meet you where you are. Here's what you need: a flat surface, floor, carpet, yoga mat if you've got one, comfy clothes, and a can-do attitude. 10 to 15 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week. That's it, no weights, no fuss. Ready? Let's build this routine. The beginner push-up routine. This plan uses 3 easy variations to get you started, plus a warm-up and cool-down. We'll keep it simple, fun, and doable. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, rest a day between sessions, and watch your strength bloom. Step 1, warm-up, 3 to 5 minutes. Get your body ready. Cold muscles don't play nice. Arm circles, stand, arms out to sides, make small circles, 30 seconds forward, 30 seconds back. Shoulder shrugs, lift shoulders to ears, drop them down, repeat 10 times. March in place, high knees, swing arms, 1 minute, wake up that heart. Wall push-ups, light hands on a wall, lean in, push back, 10 slow reps. Feel loose? Good, let's roll. Step 2, the push-up trio, 10 to 12 minutes. Here's your core routine: 3 moves, scaled for beginners. Do each one, rest, repeat. Start small, you'll grow fast. Wall push-ups, foundation builder. How? Stand arms length from a wall, hands shoulder width, lean in until your chest nears the wall, push back. Why? Easiest push-up ever, perfect for learning the motion without strain. Hits chest, arms, shoulders lightly. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps, rest 30 to 60 seconds between sets. Tip: keep your body straight. Imagine a plank leaning against the wall. Knee push-ups, next step up. How? Knees on the floor, hands under shoulders, lower your chest to an inch above the ground, push up. Why? Halves the weight you lift, build strength without overwhelm. Great for chest and triceps. Do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps, rest 45 to 60 seconds between sets. Tip: no hip sagging, keep a straight line from knees to head. Incline push-ups, strength booster. How? Hands on a sturdy surface, couch, table, stairs, feet on floor, lower chest to the edge, push up. Why? A bit tougher than knees, but easier than full push-ups, bridges the gap. Targets chest, arms, core. Do 3 sets of 6 to 10 reps, rest 60 seconds between sets. Tip: lower is harder, use a higher surface if it's too much. Step 3, cool down, 2 to 3 minutes. Finish strong, stretch those muscles. Chest opener, clasp hands behind back, lift arms slightly, hold 20 to 30 seconds. Tricep stretch, 1 arm overhead, bend elbow, pull with other hand, hold 20 seconds per side. Cat-cow stretch, on all fours, arch back up, cat, dip down, cow, 5 slow rounds. Feel good? You're done. Sample routine rundown. Here's how it flows. Warm-up, 3 to 5 minutes, arm circles, shrugs, march, wall push-ups. Wall push-ups, 3x10-15, rest 30-60s. Knee push-ups, 3x8-12, rest 45-60s. Incline push-ups, 3x6-10, rest 60s. Cool down, 2 to 3 minutes, stretches. Total, 15 to 20 minutes, short, sweet, effective. Progressing as a beginner. You won't stay a newbie forever. Here's how to level up. Add reps. Wall push-ups feel easy? Go from 10 to 15, then 20. Same with knee and incline. Lower the angle. On incline push-ups, use a lower surface. Stairs work great as you get stronger. Try full push UPS. Once knee push-ups hit 15 to 20 reps comfortably, test one full push-up, feet on the floor, plank style. Even one is a victory. Track it, jot down reps. Seeing 8 become 12 feels amazing. Tips for success. Form first, quality beats quantity, full range, chest low, no cheating. Breathe, out as you push up, in as you lower, keeps you steady. Be patient, strength takes time, every rep builds you up. Stay comfy, hands hurt? Use a folded towel under them. Knees sore? Pad with a mat. Make it fun, play music, count aloud, or rope in a friend, joy fuels effort. My beginner story. I'll let you in on something. My first push-up attempt was a disaster, wobbly knees, 0 reps, pure flop. I started with wall push-ups, 15 felt like a marathon. Weeks later, knee push-ups clicked, then incline. 3 months in, I hit my first full push-up, shaky, but mine. You don't need to be a pro day one, you just need to start. Where's your starting line? The payoff. Stick with this, and you'll feel it: stronger arms, a firmer chest, a tighter core. Maybe you'll lift groceries easier, chase the dog without huffing, or just stand taller. No equipment needed, just you, showing up. Imagine nailing 10 knee push-ups in a month, or that first full rep, small wins, big vibes. Your challenge. Try this routine today, pick one spot, wall, floor, couch, and do one set of each move. Wall, 10. Knee, 8, incline, 6, feel that spark? That's your strength waking up. Tell me how it goes, what's easy, what's tough. This push-up routine for beginners is your no-equipment launchpad. Let's get stronger, one push at a time.